Hey guys, welcome back to Organic Essentials, where we make real food recipes. And today we are making a healthy version of Reese's peanut butter cups. So you want to start by grabbing your organic, creamy, natural peanut butter, some sea salt, and pure maple syrup. You just want to mix all of this together. Take your time. That peanut butter is thick, okay? And just mix it together and get a nice creamy consistency. Next, you want to add in your almond flour. And again, take your time, mix it up. You don't want any dry spots. You just want it to be nice and smooth throughout, okay? Just mix that flour in. Now we're gonna move on to our dark chocolate chips. And we're gonna melt that with organic coconut oil. That's gonna get it nice and smooth, okay? So I just like to melt it in 20 to 30 second increments and mix it in between. So with our silicone muffin pan, we're just gonna add in a layer of chocolate, a layer of peanut butter, and top it off with our top layer of chocolate. Go ahead and smooth it out. Just make sure you don't have any peekaboo peanut butter spots sticking out at the top. And then we're just gonna pop this in the freezer for about 20 minutes so that it solidifies. And there you have it, peanut butter cups. And this is why I love using silicone molds. It's so easy to just pop them out when you're done. And guys, these turn out perfect every single time. No reason you cannot do this at home. If you've got 30 minutes, you can even do it with milk chocolate. This is it. This is how to make chocolate peanut butter cups at home. So now it's time for the taste test. Cheers. Super good. The texture of the peanut butter filling on the inside, it's sweet, peanut buttery, but a little bit gritty. And then you have the dark chocolate. I actually prefer dark chocolate to milk chocolate, so that's perfect. And this was so easy, honestly, to do this with just a few ingredients rather than getting it at the store. It has all these extra things and natural flavors and citric acid and all these other things. You don't need preservatives, flavorings, any of that. You can just make this at home. It's so simple. If you have, 30 minutes, you can make Reese's peanut butter cups. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out our channel so we can continue to make content like this. Check out our other videos. We've got some here and right here. Thanks again for watching. Eat well, be well, and I will see you next time.